So anyway, folks, I just want to say to everyone, for me, I don't want to get involved. Ayoko na maging madamay, that's why. I just advise to best spills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo, G. Macasandil, Angelo Bonsa, and even my dose of our enemies I mentioned. Please, all of you, enough adding Jerick Silva. I removed Jerick Silva in the GC. What is the purpose of all of you want to disturb him or harass him? Is this nice to make a fights? Best spills, Arnel Castillo, Gin Asejo, Jima Casandil, Angelo Bonsa, Jeffrey Asejo. For five of you, why all of you wants to harass J. Rick? Look, what happened to J. Rick Silva? Oh, hindi kumain ng dinner. Wala na yang shagana. That's why, because of all of you. So please, I'm saying to all of you in my statement, stop adding J. Rick Silva. Emi, you make me involved of all of you. Gin Asejo, G. Macasandil, Angelo Bonsab, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and even Gina Sejo and Jeffrey Asejo. You make all of you involved. You make me involved because of all of you. Like Patrick Eason said to me, folks, just please learn how to move on. Stop this attack. Stop this madness. I know this is really intense. You know, Ralph Guevara said to me, oh, it's really intense. Oh, please, all of you, just stop. Like I said to all of you, manahimik na lang kayo. That's why. Imitate Ralph Guevara or imitate Bam Hernando. For all of you, imitate aside of Bam Hernando, there's Jude Goles, even all of my friends there in CDIFI, who are my former classmates, there's Apple Alday, there's Lawrence Villawan, there's Sam Iranjo, even Jens Manaid. Enough already. For me, all of you, Gina Sejo, G. Macasandil, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jeffrey Asejo, and Angelo Bonsa, I mentioned, please all of you, just stop. Stop this attack. Me, I'm not the one who creating group chats eh. I deleted all the group chat. I removed Nanay Ningning in the group chat. I removed Mina Suchoy in the group chat. J. Rick Silva Joris Patrick Ofesha. I already stopped making all of this kind of stupid group chats. That group chat, it was my former friend, Shania Kiana. So, for me, I deleted it already.